In Neville's lecture on causation, let's embark and explore the secrets hidden in the dark. He begins with the power of imagination to manifest desires with pure dedication. Visualize your dreams, make them crystal clear, for your thoughts create the world you hold dear. Next, Neville delves into the concept of belief, a force that can bring joy or cause us grief. Believe in the unseen, in the power within, and miracles will unfold, your life will begin. With faith as your guide, the journey takes flight, as you trust in yourself and the infinite light. Then comes the law of assumption, so profound, changing your assumptions will turn things around. Imagine the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and watch as the universe's void is filled. Adopt new assumptions, let go of the old, and watch your reality beautifully unfold. Neville reminds us of the importance of sleep, the state of consciousness where desires seep. As we enter the realm of the subconscious mind, our intentions take root, our dreams intertwine. Utilize this state, where thoughts become real and awaken to a life that's truly ideal. Lastly, Neville speaks of the law of reversibility, a concept that may challenge our sensibility. What we assume to be true, we will perceive, so choose beliefs that make your heart heave. Reverse your thoughts and reverse your fate. Unleash the power within, don't hesitate.